Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use the secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place in which we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225*##. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, which are provided by Google. It is *##426 £6. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu, and the code for it is *##4636 *##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got two different phone info and the Wi-Fi info. We've got the phone info divided. It is because we've got two different SIM slots. So let me show you, for example, the first one. And as you can see, here we've got the section where we can check the IMEI number, phone number, current network, data service, or data network type. I know that those places are quite clear and not filled in my case, but it is because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got yours, yes, no worries, you will be able to check all of the details. You can scroll down here, and here you can run ping tests also. As you can see here, you've got the results, and after tapping on more, you can, for example, also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let me show you the Wi-Fi info, because in the second information we've got the same section, but of course connected with other SIM slot. So let's enter the Wi-Fi info. Here we can check the API configuration or the status of it. So let's, for example, enter the status. Let's refresh the stats, and as you can see here, we can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here, and we've got the results. So let me get back, because that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which will open the charging and battery info, and it's quite technical outside. So the code for it is *##645285, 85 £##. So *##6485 £##. And as I said, we are in the charging and battery info, so here you can check the state, so that it is discharged. It is discharging right now. Here you can check the condition, because this MB06 is responsible for showing the condition, and the first one, for example, the exact level of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.